What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And now we say attack. No joke right now, people. Viewers and subscribers, me in a mood right now where me I tell you say, me not feel good, people. Me in a very terrible mood right now. You understand? Because in the end, people, me I go say this and me I go telling you straight up. Right now, it's a celebration for Tamara Geddes' cruel sister, Nadine Geddes. I'm telling you, it's a crazy celebration for her and her two daughters, them. Down at the court in Jamaica, in Trelawny, people, because I have seen where no justice, you understand, was granted pertaining to the murder of their own sister where them plot and kill and niece. You know what I mean, people? This is wickedness. Because them go court today. Remember, I know people, them forget sentence from last week and then put it off until this week, Tuesday. And you remember I do much vlog, people. I said toward this a play out, you know. Me know so me not gonna get good news, you know. I knew I wasn't going to get good news. And I'm gonna tell you how the sentence play out now, people. Well, for Nadine Geddes, the sister of Tamara Geddes, people, them say she get 20 years in prison at hard labor. 20 years, Zine, at hard labor. Or two picking them now, people. Them say them get 3 years probation. 3 years probation pertaining to the murder of Tamara Geddes that happened last year, people, right in front of her 10-year-old daughter. Zine? And after investigations made, people, this is what it comes down to. Do you see the system that we got in Jamaica, people? Look at something like this. And every time when we talk, people, you see how the system is cruel and wicked? You see this? How can somebody like this, people, who plot, confess, plead guilty with our two people, them say, yes, they are involved. Them know, see how the data comes a boom. So you see, old people is now in Jamaica. And you see, that's why it's so easy for people to do things to them own. Because they know, say, if they get catch people, want no justice study there. And look what them to do to teacher. Look what they do to Vybz Kartel. I'm going to say it in how much I'm a video them and I'm not going to stop saying it. Look what they do to Vybz Kartel. And that's why I tell us the people Kartel need to be released. Yeah, him need to. Because our system in Jamaica is failure. How can you plot up people with your picking them and with other people, Zine, and get rid of your own sister? You go court people and then you go and you're 20 years. That is freedom. That is basically freedom, people. You feel say if I did America, then I get this 20 years, all them sitting there. You feel so now. So that means if you see people, these two picking they come forward now and start doing much things again. You understand? Who to be blamed? And now you feel say our little daughter, people are going to grow up with this and feel good. If you know, so look, you know, and them two there, you know, who get the 3 years probation, you know, who should be my first cousin, you know. You understand? They are the one, you know, who plot up and get rid of my mother, you know, who could have been here with me, you know. You understand? And yo, all I'm telling the people, the system in Jamaica, it's a failure. I'm let down, people. When me see these tears come on me eye, no joke. Me feel let down. You see how I cover this story, people, from the start right up, people. And me tell them I'm not going to let it go. And see it now, people. This is how it come down to. I'm so disappointed in our system in Jamaica. I am so, and they can't tell me nothing. The people that come to them, them plead guilty. They have every evidence, every lead. Say at them. And you going to tell me, if them two, even the one people who them say, I could have been 10 or 15 or what? Should be people. She not get 3 years probation. And for the one we are 21. Even though they didn't take the weapon, people, they are the one who plotted, because if they never come and plot it to get rid of their sister, people should be alive today. They are the one who sums up and get the money, who source the money and do everything. So they are the main mastermind behind everything. Only thing say because none of them squeeze the trigger. And you are going to tell me, say this is justice? Me say them are celebrate people. This is freedom for them. This is freedom. Zine, and sources told the attacking boss that she's smiling because them see when she walk out. So a lot of people in Trelawny don't feel good right now. I heard even demonstration down there right now, people. I heard it's crazy down there because a lot of people don't feel good. You understand? The community, everybody down there disappointed into this. Zine, nobody not feel good about this. And I'm telling the people, this ain't gonna finish like this. It ain't gonna stop like this. You feel say this I go end on a Chilani like this when them know say these people do this to Tamara get this so everybody can talk so good about. Look what they do to the girl. You get what I'm saying? This girl could not even get a decent funeral because of the pandemic and you know the restrictions them for funeral. She could not even get a decent send off, people. And you see where it come down to? Do you see what it come down to, people? So them now, boom, we cruel sister, go to prison now, 20 years, right? Eat off taxpayer money, live life. Remember I did a ball, you know, people. I'm from me tell us the time them a ball about up your hand team in there and this and that, you know, people. Me know say something them a plan up, you know. See, them a work up something and then do it. Because their mind is evilous. See? But remember, Jah up above I see everything, people. Jah up above. 20 years. And the pitney them get 3 years probation. 3 years, you know, my viewers and subscribers. Probation. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. I can't believe this, people. This is what Jamaica really gone to. This is how our own system, our own country let us down. This is not justice. How can this be justice? Celebration for them. How them the pitney, they must feel good in themselves now. How them the evilers must turn up inside of them now. They must feel great. You can't see it, especially that when them see at 21. You can't look upon our people. For you look upon her, you see evil through her, every crease, every corner. And see the people. This is where it comes down to. I don't feel good. I cannot believe this. Honestly, I can't. 20 years at hard labor. Would that make sense about 20 years at hard labor? You see how much innocent people they have on a fling way behind bars. See? Enough youth. They behind bars innocent. You see some man then catch and then fling much years upon them for nothing. See? And look there, because we don't have the system of Jamaica, people. I'm not afraid for talk. A straight attack for the system. Right now, I even not attack the system. I even not attack the pitney them again, people. Like the system. Because the system failed Tamara. The system failed our daughter. The system failed me, the attacking boss. It failed the citizens them at Trelawny. It failed everybody. See? The system, it's a letdown. And I can't believe. You know what I'm saying, viewers and subscribers? But as I said before, you know, the Almighty up above, He sees and He knows everything, people. Me not feel good. And I know my viewers and subscribers are not happy now. I know how you all feel. I know how let down you all feel. And I know every Jamaican national people overseas who watch the attacking boss and see I've been covering this story right through. I know you feel let down. I know you feel betrayed. I know you feel and you look at my country right now and say we are a big letdown. And you see what has happened. Yes, this is our country, Jamaica. This is what they do. They let us down right now in this thing, people. Tamara, get this? I never can say rest in peace, but sleep on, you know? Sleep on. Remember, you know? Viewers and subscribers, it's not a good one. People, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, people. And you don't know the thing going on. We still go follow up through because here to some other people did the figure quote. You understand that are the other three. But if this is still get 20, I don't know. Maybe them, I don't even know people. But I feel let down, people. Honestly, I feel like, you know, I try, but only just season, you know. I tried, people. I plea, I ball out. I ball to the government, you know, make it harsh, make it. But see the people, 3 years probation for the two wicked pitney them and, 20 years at our labor for the mother. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Big up on yourself, people. More love, more respect. Just stay blessed, people, and just stay safe. And you don't know, people, it's just one of them there. Peace out. Attack. More love.